Okay, so your first step is you want to put your labels in. These are from your data table. So at rest, immediately after exercise, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Then you want heart rate and breathing rate. Well, you can see how it bleeds over. So to get these all in right, click on the A, and that will highlight that whole column. Then go to Home and hit Wrap Text, and it sets it up for you. Now you want to do the same thing going across. So click on one, it highlights going across, and repeat Home and Wrap Text. Okay, and then you can kind of play and drag, but that looks pretty good. You just want the numbers, so you don't need this part to look perfect. Then you want to enter your data from your table in OneNote. So I'm just going to make up some numbers. Let's see here. Okay. So that was the heart rate through it, and then breathing. Let's see here. Okay, so I have the numbers filled in, and it should look like this. You want this square A1 empty. And so I want to highlight the area I'm going to make a graph. So I go up to A1 and I hold down the left key, and then I just drag and highlight, and it'll be gray. So you want to highlight the area, and you want to make sure you have your headings in it. Then go to Insert. And then over here, you have a whole bunch of different charts and things you could do. But we want to make a double line graph because you use line graphs for change over time. And then you want the very first one they have. Okay? And so, boom, there's your chart, your line graph, your double line graph. So in class today, we decided to change this to my body's response to homeostasis. And all I did was click on where it said chart. I clicked on it, chart title, and then I typed it in. Now, we did find out today that you do want to use the app on your desktop, not the online version, because in the online version, it limits what you can do in Excel. And then I always like to put my numbers. So if you click on this plus sign, the chart elements, I want to go ahead and add my numbers to it. And there's different ways you can make that look. Yeah, I don't like that. That's too busy. Now I want to undo it. So let me undo and do it. I just want the plain numbers there. There you go. And you can see it makes the key for you. So here, the blue line is the heart rate. The orange or reddish line is the breathing rate. And you can see they both peaked. So basically, here's what to do again. You highlight the whole area. Go to Insert. Come over to Recommended Charts and look for this double line graph. It has a blue line and a black line. Click on it and select the very first one. Okay. And that is how you make a graph using Excel. Then you want to use your snippet tool. Highlight it, and then let me move this over where you can see it. This, if we'll copy it so you can go drop and paste it on your investigation sheet in your notebook. And then to put it in Canvas, you just click on the floppy disk, name it, and mine's set to go up to my Dropbox. Yours will probably go to your pictures. And just name it HomieGraph. And then that's what you upload into Canvas. That's how you use Excel to make a graph.